guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we have this awesome product that I just purchased. It's an Ion speaker. So we're going to be doing an unboxing of it right here. It's a rechargeable, portable speaker system, Bluetooth, microphone, USB, MP3 player, and it's water resistant. It's IPX5 water resistant. Okay, so let's go check out the unboxing of this and stop wasting your time. Instruction manual, AC power cord, and looks like auxiliary cable, auxiliary stereo 3.5-inch connector. Here's the microphone and the beast itself. Spin it around so you can see it. So it's got handles on it, which is nice. It's nice and big. Here's the lift up handle so you can drag it with you. 2 cup holders on the top. Microphone input, auxiliary input, and link. The NFC pad is on the top. And then on the left hand side here we have USB charging and the USB 3.0 port for probably a thumb drive or whatnot to listen to music. And on the back we have AC power in. And as you can see, it'll have all these like rubber boots on it because it's semi, it's water resistant. I think the NFC is a bonus because you can just lay your phone on top here. We're gonna do a little bit more preliminary stuff with this, plug it in, check it out, give it a shot. Looking extremely forward to it. Wow. You can pair a device with Bluetooth. Pathfinder 2 comes up on the screen. Let's go to YouTube real quick. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be going over, is the Amazon giveaway a scam? A lot of these have 40% off. Well, that works really well. Let's check out the microphone input. So we're going to use my Pathfinder wireless microphone. We turn this on. We plug it into the microphone input here. Definitely has a strong possibility of being a very good PA system. I'm very impressed with the connectivity of this capability. This Pathfinder microphone works really well. Actually, you know what? Let me show you how it works with the built-in microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, hello, everybody. Check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this microphone works rather well as well. I don't like to be tethered, so that's why I have the wireless microphone. I guess I can always use a lav microphone and do the same thing, but some people like to have a microphone in their hand when they're talking. You're probably asking yourself, Joe, so what kind of rating will you give this product? Like, what are you going to give it? Like your 4-star, 5-star, Joe Tech Instant Awesome rating? I like it. I like it a lot. A little distortion on the microphone, but then again, it's all based on how you're screaming into the microphone itself. It's no fault of the product. It is portable. It does have a 100-hour battery. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. And now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,